Popularly known as Pagelung Tagati. He just ended the march here at the Kukudla Mini Park at the workshop in Durban. And let's just get him quickly on before he leaves us. Looking at the march today, did you achieve what you wanted to achieve?
Today, first we want to thank Izinduna. We want to thank Izinsizwa. We want to thank all the community members that came to support the March and March. As Insizwa Nomtsizwa Development Foundation, we did not have any event today. When we heard that our sister is having a march, then we stopped everything and then we said we are going to come and support her because we are marking 1 year, 6 months, 7 months now. We supported her from the first day she initiated, before she registered the March and March as a civic organization. We were there. We supported her from Zululand. So today we said if she's honoring the day that we propose as a deadline, because Insizwa Nomtsizwa came up with the day. Insizwa Nomtsizwa came up with the deadline of the 30th of June. So when she's doing something in Durban, let us go and support her, because we are having a press briefing tomorrow in the same park, in Kukudla Mini Park here in Durban. So it was a great success. We had 257,000 men that came from Insizwa Nomtsizwa to support Usiswam. We were anticipating 1 million, but because we are not funded and the taxes are not working, and also the people can, come from as far as paying 50 rand to just come for the march, they couldn't come. But they started making their groups in their own town, peaceful groups that I will post and say where these people were marching. So it was a beautiful sight, and we really appreciate and siyazibonga insizwa kakhulu. Sibonga insizwa kakhulu ngokuthi zithi into noma iqala umuntu wesifazane ebese ke beza bezoyeseka. We really appreciate that, because sometimes we say we love women, sometimes we say we want to empower women, but when women initiate things, men don't show up to support her. I stand for that. I stand to oppose that men are not supportive to women. You saw I brought 257 men today to support Jacinta, and I've been supporting her from day one.
You mentioned that you got a call from the president last night. Yeah. What was the discussion?
I met the president. Hello. We got the call. And we went and honored an old man. He's the first citizen of the country. Whether we agree or disagree, we have to respect. I was raised with respect. Ngiphume emzini wamadoda, ngafundiswa inhlonipho, ngafundiswa uthando, ngafundiswa ukulalela. Akusho ukuthi mawusulalelile uzobe suyezwa bese wenza lokho kushiwo. So I went there to meet the president. He presented his case. I answered to him. I'm going to say that in the press briefing tomorrow.
So you're not able to tell us what exactly you
presented to you? Be patient. I was patient for 12 years, working on this moral regeneration thing. That's why you see so many men. That's why you see 257,000 men listening to one man, because I have experience. Nobody can do this. If somebody else led this, it would have gone wrong. But I have so much experience and I love these men. Before the end of this year, I'm creating 1 million jobs for South Africa.
Did the president ask you not to lead the march today?
No, he did not. No, he's a nice man. He did not ask me. No, he wanted my opinion. I gave him my opinion. And whatever I spoke about with him, I just gave him an answer. Whatever I promised him yesterday, today is an answer to whatever question he had. I just proved it to him.
You said that you were addressing now in the closing of this march, you said that you're not giving up, they will go. Elaborate on that. What does it mean? Did the 30th of March not achieve what you had set out initially?
No, it greatly achieved. I'm saying people must not slow down, because the reason why the illegal foreigners are so much in the country is because the leaders forgot. So I don't want these men to forget. I don't want them to forget. Angifuni insizwa ihlale phansi ikhohle ukuthi izwe libhekwa zonke insuku. Izwe libhekwa zonke insuku. We will look after this country for the rest of our lives. We will not stop until we pass away. So akekho umuntu ozohlala phansi nje aneka amasende angazi ukuthi ufanele enzeni. Siyasebenza la.